Well, Jasmine, Kyle from the SEK Humane Society is back in the studio again with this morning, and she's brought in Mabel.
Yeah, so this is Mabel. She is a 3-month-old German Shepherd Husky mix. Her and her brother Sarge, unfortunately, were found outside of our facility taped in a box. When we got the kids out, we quickly found out that they had walking issues and had swimmer syndrome, which is an uncommon developmental deformity where their hind legs will splay out, they can't walk. So there's really one biggest treatment for that, and that is physical therapy. So for the last month, our staff have been working around the clock with getting these guys exercise, better food quality, nutrition, and just physical therapy for their legs. And a few weeks ago when we had that first snowstorm here in Pittsburgh, we took the kids out to experience the snow for the first time, and they just started to walk and then run and then jump, and then we all started to cry. So they have been coming in leaps and bounds, and we're so blessed to see that their progress is doing so well. Enough that we're going to officially open up foster applications for them for foster to adopt homes.
That's awesome, and you can find out more information about that on your website and
Yep.
even apply online as
Yep,
well.
exactly.
Which is so cool.
Oh, big yawn.
So Mabel, and what's her brother's name?
Yeah, so yeah, his name is Sarge. So Mabel is the calmest of the two, but Sarge, they're just babies at the same time. They're just 3 months of age, so. But they are German Shepherd Husky mixes, and they are going to be fairly larger dogs, but super great dogs, super sweet.
Oh, well, you know, a lot of work and time went into doing the physical therapy for them, and you guys do this for lots and lots of dogs, and take in lots of dogs, feed lots of dogs. Of course, all of that takes money, and it requires fundraisers, and you've got a very big one coming up.
Yeah, we have our largest one. We're bringing it back this year. It is our 45th annual chili dinner event. It's always on the big game Sunday, February 13th this year. We're going to be at the Memorial Auditorium from noon to 3, and for the first time ever, we are doing no indoor dining, no tickets. It is 3 drive-through lanes. We have never done this format before. We're very blessed to have the city's help with this event and getting everything figured out. But for COVID precautions, we're doing 3 drive-through lanes. You just pull on up. We're going to do cash check and even card lanes this year. We're selling $8 dinner meals that include a bowl of our famous homemade chili, a dessert item, a drink, crackers, or of course you can buy our quarts and you can take it for your big game night that night, so you don't have to worry about cooking.
Yeah, that's the best part is, you know, you've got a lot of people coming over. You want to make sure you have enough food. Why not help out a good organization?
Yeah.
A no-kill shelter in the area.
Exactly, and that's what a lot of people don't realize. Our chili, and we do 500 pounds of it alone, it's all homemade. 350 pounds of meat we get locally from Ron's Supermarket. That Saturday beforehand, we cook everything from scratch for 6 to 8 hours just to get everything prepped. And then the next day, it is ready to be served to our community. So everything is local, and it's delicious, and it goes to help a great cause for these guys.
Do you have enough volunteers at this point?
We need volunteers. So it is on our Facebook page, but I have included my email link. We're needing about 20 to 30 volunteers right now, from anywhere from help with our kitchen hands to helping in the drive-through lanes to traffic control, just because we've never done this type of drive-through service before. So yeah, we're looking for about 20 to 30 extra hands right now, and it's not all day. You can sign up for a time slot because again, it's going to be February. It's going to be a little bit cold, so you don't have to worry about being there from 11 to 3 o'clock. We've got about 1 to 2 hour time slots, so you can take your time, do your part to help us out, but quickly get home and get back warmed up.
Yeah, for sure. All right, and just remember, it all goes to a good cause, helping out little ones like Mabel. Hopefully, we'll have great news. I understand we got the 2 from last time adopted.
Yes,
so
Mason
that's amazing.
and Dixon, the brothers got to go home together, and now we're hoping that we can find some quick homes for Mabel and her brother Sarge.
Right, and of course there's lots of other dogs looking, and cats looking for a good home, a new permanent home for them as well, and you can find all of their pictures on your website.
Yes, yeah, we're still near full capacity. So, and if you've been thinking about adopting, now is the time. Over 70% of our dogs are sponsored right now, and especially if you live in the state of Kansas, 30 miles from our shelter, you fall within our fostering guidelines. So we can do a foster to adopt contract with you. So if you need more time, you want a month-long experience, we can make that happen. For our fosters, we provide everything: food, blankets, all the supplies. You provide the love and time, we'll provide everything else.
That's amazing. All right, well, thank you so much for coming in. It was wonderful to meet you, Mabel.
Yes,
I'm hoping
thank you.
you will have a new home very soon.
We hope so too.
And not my fingers. All right, we'll be right back.